Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can connect your Telegram account to your Facebook account. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is jump over to the right hand side. We're going to go into our profile. So right over here, you're going to click on your profile picture and then your profile name. We're in right over here, and what we want to look for is the intro, and here we want to click on edit bio or edit details. This will give you this window, and you want to come down here and you will see there's a bunch of information here, and we're going to go and click on update your information. On the left over here, you will see you are going in here and we're going to look for contact and basic information. And here, just under websites and social links, we will be able to add a website or a social link. Now, if you go into social link, you will not be able to find Telegram here. Okay, so Telegram is not in the socials. What we're looking for is add a website. Now, what we need to do is jump into Telegram. This is my Telegram account. On the left-hand side, we're going to go to the menu. And on the left-hand side, we're going to click on our name over here. We're going to go just over here. It says at username. You can see that that is at your username, okay? And if you just go and click on this edit profile, we're going to come down and you'll see it says the link opens a chat with you. So it's https://t.me/ and then your username. So I've actually got that. And here there it says website address. We're going to go and paste it in there and click on save. This will now show up in the top over here in the about information. That will be a space where somebody can click and it'll be redirected to your Telegram account.